Dito sa Pinas, pinalaki tayo ng mga magulang natin na may isang tamang direksyon sa buhay. Mag-aral ka, magtapos, magtrabaho, mag-ipon, bumili ng bahay. Plan A, Plan B, Plan C. Para daw tiyak ang takbo ng buhay. Para hindi ka magkamali. Pero walang nakapagsabi na pwede palang pumili ng ibang landas. I'm Kay, this is Z, at ito ang simula. This is the story of how we chose a different kind of life. Walang nakapagturo na pwede ka palang huminto sa daang tinatahak mo at piliing lumiko kung saan ka mas totoong masaya. Na pwede palang mamuhay sa takbo na kaya mo, hindi sa bilis na hinihingi ng mundo. Growing up, I was the type of person who always wanted to get what I wanted. Kung may pangarap ako, I would work day and night just to reach it. Takot akong magkamali. Takot akong madapa. I was raised in an environment where every decision had to be correct, where success meant doing everything right. Kaya habang lumalaki ako, sinunod ko lahat. I tried to chase every dream I thought I was supposed to want. Pero sa gitna lahat ng pagpupursige, napagtanto ko na may mali. I was doing everything right, but nothing felt right. Para akong may hinahanap na hindi ko may paliwanag. Something bigger, something real, something mine. At doon ko napagtanto, lahat ng inaabot ko, hindi naman pala talaga para sa akin. I wasn't failing. I was just following a life that didn't align with who I am.
Don't tell me that it's over. Never say that I can't relate.
Sige.
I still
Ay, lababo na lang, boss.
'cause I know
Tapos
that it's
okay na.
not too late.
With ang kitchen.
The last time you saw us, we were still building the bus. Mga dingding na hindi pa kumpleto, alikabok ng kahoy sa hangin. Pero ang pag-asang dala namin, buo. Kung minsan nakakatuwa balikan na lahat ng ideyang dating binubuo lang namin sa isip, unti-unting nagkakaporma sa harap mo. While we were sharing the bus conversion with you, parang may kulang, may kwento, pero hindi pa namin alam paano ito sabihin. Kaya tumigil muna kami. Hindi dahil wala nang nangyayari, kundi dahil hindi pa namin alam kung paano ikwento ang mundong unti-unting nabubuo sa harap namin. Pero hindi doon natapos ang kwento. Pagkatapos ng build, umalis kami ng Negros. Tumawid kami papuntang Cebu, tapos Surigao, at sa huli, sa Isla Siargao.
That it's over. Never say that I can't relate. I still wanna come over. 'Cause I know that it's not too late.
Welcome to...
Naturo ng biyahe yung mga bagay na hindi tinuro ng paaralan o ng plano ng mundo para sa atin. Hindi kailangan perpekto bago magsimula. Hindi kailangan kumpleto bago mabuhay. Pwede mong buhayin ang pangarap mo habang ginagawa mo pa lang ito.
Used to falling in love with love, but I'm breaking my habit 'cause you turn me on to my heart's desire. Now I'm dying to let you know what I feel is some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for
Hey guys, morning. After 4 months of living in the bus, we're finally gonna install our table leg for the dining table. So yeah, let's go. We got this table leg on Temu. Temu count your days because you guys didn't send me any screws. Luckily, I have extra screws laying around. Yeah. Working student.
Tanda ko pa nung inaya ako ni Z. Gawin kaya natin yung bus life. Tawa lang ang sagot ko. Kasi sinong balyo ang iiwan yung buhay na ilang taon mong pinagtrabahuhan?
We're home! Love you, baby.
Love you, love. I love you, boys. And Luna, we're gonna get you soon.
Balyo nga sa pananaw ng iba. But sometimes, the life that looks wrong to others is the only life that feels right to you. Kasi kung palagi kang takot matawag na iba, hindi mo malalaman kung saan ka pala tunay na magiging masaya. Sa edad na 26 at 28, ang daming dapat. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi mo kailangan sundan lahat. Minsan, sapat na yung pumili ng buhay na hindi ka nilalayo sa sarili mo.
I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure. Used to falling in love with love, but I'm breaking my habit 'cause you turn me on to my heart's desire. Now I'm dying to I feel with some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical one.
Isa ka steak, isa ka mading.
Akala namin kami lang haharap sa biyahe na to. Pero dito sa isla, we met people who felt like home. Yung mga kasama lang dapat sa isang araw, unti-unti naging pamilya. Sa mga araw na mabagal ang takbo, doon namin pinakanaramdaman ang buhay. Somewhere along the way, we met a family who saw life the same way we did. We became family here. And without even trying, they reminded us that we weren't alone. They inspired us to tell our story again.
It's like I've been waiting around for you. Why?
To Tita and Tito who opened their home to us when our water tank broke, hindi po namin to makakalimutan. Thank you for being our home in Siargao. Kadalasan tanong sa amin, hanggang kailan niyo to gagawin? Hindi namin alam. But we do know this. We won't be this young forever. We won't always have the same fire to choose differently, to build the life we believe in. So today, we chose what feels true. We're finally ready to share the life we've been living quietly. This is the road we chose, and we're grateful you're here.
Walking on cloud nine.
Hi, kids.
This is your dad,
And this is your mom at 26.
28. We don't have you guys yet, but in the future, when you guys are watching this vlog, yeah, this is what we do. We're currently fishing. Thank you, Dee, for giving us 2 fishing rods. Not 1, but 2.
Thank you.
We appreciate you so much. If I do catch a fish, hopefully I do, it's gonna be yours. So yeah. To our future kids, we love you guys. Do what your heart desires. So yeah, that's all my message for you for today is. Hopefully that makes sense.
I love you.
Love you. Bye.
Love you, baby.
Let me go catch fish.